Yes, yes. Okay. So, up before starting this conversation, I would like to know about
Yes.
yourself. Please say something about
Yeah.
yourself.
Okay. Thank you for asking. My name is Bariya Tudu. I am from Jharkhand, India. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation. And my hobbies is traveling beautiful place.
Mm,
Yes, that's all about me.
yeah. Nice.
Now your
Great.
turn.
Yes, yes. This is my talk. So, my name is Ajay Kumar, and I am from Nepal. Currently, I am working in Tamil Nadu. And if you talk about my qualification, so I have completed C exam from higher secondary school, and nowadays I am working. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing cricket, reading book, and sometimes watching Hindi movie. So this is all about me.
Yeah. Yes, you said that you are from Nepal.
Yes, I'm from Nepal.
Yeah. So I want to know about the Nepal. How is the Nepal? Because I have heard the Nepal. It is a hill area. So
Yes, yes, it is
how
very,
beautiful is the Nepal?
yeah. If you come in my country, you can say Nepal, so you will see mountain, green mountain. You will see, and you will see flowers, temple, religious temple. You can say there are
Yeah.
many types of religious temple in my country, and many people comes in my country for visiting the many types of things, you can say. So my country is good and beautiful, and
Yeah.
many people want to go there, and nowadays people are also going there nowadays, because
Yes. Yes.
mountain is, you can say, this is very big mountain of my country, Nepal. So mountain name is, you can say, Sagarmatha. Sagarmatha is the biggest pickle of my country, biggest mountain of my country, Sagarmatha.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I
It
can
is.
say that
It
my
is. It is called Mount Everest.
yes, it is called Mount
And
Everest.
Nepali language happen Sagarmatha.
Right, right, right.
Yes,
Sagarmatha.
yes, yes, yes.
Exactly.
I have studied about the great what I'm saying Mount Everest. So I Nepalian language it is called Sagarmatha.
Sagarmatha, yes. Nepali
Yeah.
people called Sagarmatha, yes.
Okay.
And this is very good place. If you come in my country, you will see many things. You will see many things in my country.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. I think that in Nepal, uh, is there the industries or not that Nepalian people almost come to India in any big city. So I think that
Yes.
yes, is there industries,
Yes,
big industries?
there is many types of industry. You can say house building and painter and making clothes company. There are
Yeah,
many types of company, but and yeah, you can say a little bit like a plastic company. I think it may be, but I don't know clearly. There is plastic industries or not, but maybe I
yeah,
can say that yeah, there is many types of industries, but I
yeah.
don't like there. I don't like work there. That's why I am here.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I think that when you all come to India, then how do you enter into the India? This kind of have you this kind of a passport that
Yes, yes, yes.
you get enter into the India?
Yes, yes, yes. First, after entering the India, we have to need Aadhaar card. We have to need Aadhaar card. After showing Aadhaar card, we have to come in India. But I have only citizenship. I don't have Aadhaar card. But people are showing that if you want to come in India, so first of all you
Yeah.
will have to show your Aadhaar card. But we are
Okay.
Nepali people. We are Nepali people, so we don't have Aadhaar card. I have only citizenship card. So
Okay, okay.
through citizenship card we come in India. We enter the India. Yeah.
Oh, yes, yes. When Nepali people show to the border, where the border, so
Mm-hmm.
then you have to show the Nepalian citizen
Mm-hmm. Right, right, right.
documents.
Mm.
So then you are allowed to enter into the India.
Yes, we are allowed to come India, and there is no
Okay.
any type of you can say rule and regulation after
Yeah.
coming in India. So we are allowed, and we can come anywhere. We can go anywhere because my village is border side area, and India and Nepal are like relatives, brother and sisters, like this.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
can,
Yes.
we
Yes.
can come. Yes,
Okay.
Nepali person can come here, and Indian person can also go there. No problem
Yes.
while
Yes.
going.
Yes. Most of the Indian people always go to Nepal.
They are
Uh,
working. They are working in country in my
per,
country Nepal.
yes, yes, working purpose, and also the Indian. I think that industries man they
Right, right,
established biggest industries in the Nepal.
right, right.
Is
There is
is
many
it?
types of.
Yeah. Okay, I want to know about you. I think that which caste are you?
Yeah, I think if you are talking about caste, so I am Ram. Do you know Ram?
Ram.
Yes.
I think that there in India. I don't have heard the caste of the Ram, but maybe in the Nepal. Yes, no
Yes.
problem.
We are Ram.
Okay.
We are Ram. Yes.
Okay, you are speaking the English very fluency. So I think that since when you have been speaking and learning the English language.
Yes. 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 I have been working in this line. You can say 8 months. I have been improving my English communication for 8 months, but I did not focus consistency. You can say I
Yeah.
I break out 1 and 2 months, and after that I realized that I should learn this language because on that time I did not know about speaking English language, what is the language, and is this important or not. But after coming outside area, I know very well, and I realized that. So that's why I am learning, and yes, I am improving my English communication. But yes, I have just started my speaking. I have not improved a lot.
No, no. Yes, I listen you because you are speaking good English, and so I ask you that since when you have been learning English language, and
Yeah.
I think that the English learning. Why do you take interest that I
Yes,
should learn the English language?
yes, because this,
Who inspire you?
yes, yes. This is good questions for me. Actually, I have seen many people of my in my family, and you can say in my village. They have completed 10 plus 12. They have completed graduation, but they don't know properly English, how to connect the people, how to talk like fluency. So that's why I get motivation from the people in my village who is completing 10 plus 2 even if they are not getting English. So I get, and I thought that if I learn this language then definitely it would be good for me in future. So that's why I'm learning, and I also want to become a good English speaker in my life because I have completed 10 past, but
Yeah,
I want to become good English speaker in my life. So that's why I am
yeah,
learning, and yes, I believe that one day I will improve my English communication as soon as possible, and I want to also become teacher. That's why.
yes, yes, yes. That's great. That's great, and it should be because I think that the person who wants to learn something that if he try and I think that
Mhm.
if he labor much more about any sector, then I think that definitely he can success. So I think
Yes,
that
yes.
hard working is the very important for the human who uh, try to more and more.
Right,
So
right, right.
that's great. That's great, and I think that your ambition is the very long. So I think that definitely you will be success
Success,
in
yes,
your
success.
life.
I will be
What
success
do
in
you
my
want
life.
to What do you want to do in your future? Yes,
Right.
good.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
I am also teacher and primary teacher. I teach to the student in government school in Jharkhand.
Oh,
Okay,
so which subject do you teach, sir?
this is the uh, Hindi medium school,
Mm-mm.
and in this school the primary school, and in this school I am alone, and all the subject I have to teach. So
Oh, all the
I think
subject.
that yeah.
Right, right, right. So how
Yes,
many
yes.
teachers? How many teachers in the school, in your schools? How many teachers are in your
I said
schools?
that I am alone in this school.
You are alone only.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, that's great.
There is the lack of the teacher, so that I have to uh, implement my school. I am alone, and many kind of scheme is going on. So I have to manage all this scheme, also teaching, learning.
Mhm.
So
Yes,
yes, only all in all, I am here.
yeah.
I
So
have to
I want
do.
to know that, sir. I want to know that your schooling when you were studying. So your schooling was Hindi medium or English medium when you were studying? I'm not talking about nowadays. I'm talking about on that time. That time you were studying.
Yes. I was old student because nowadays my age happen 50. Okay,
15,
50 plus,
50 plus.
right?
Yes, yes.
So that time in our India, uh, particularly I say in my district, there was no English medium school. So
Mm-hmm.
that time, most of the school were Hindi medium school, and Jharkhand is our official language is Hindi.
Hindi.
So yes, I have studied in the Hindi medium school. So in my childhood, I was ambition to learn the English language. That time I was thinking that how I would learn English language, because
Yes.
I yes I was thinking that what is something a value of the English language.
Mm-hmm.
So that time I uh, read English subject properly, also English grammar,
Yes.
and very late I got the idea that if you try much more to learn the English language, then you have to study properly the English grammar, then you
Yes.
can talk and you can speak with someone else. But
Mhm.
my locality area, no one partner. So talking to the partner, it is the very difficult I feel. So uh, uh, I bought the what I'm saying. I bought the smartphone,
Mm-hmm.
and then I start to watch the YouTube channel, and I got on the YouTube channel that you can speak and you can talk with your friend. So this kind of idea I got, and this kind of app I got, and
So
through the through,
on that time, Piru application is available. Piru application was available on that time. Piru application and Jostock and many types of online
yeah,
app.
this kind of application app before I did not know. So very late I got the this kind of app. This name is the Sky app, and through the Sky
Skype.
app I start to speak, and I implement Skype app, and through the Sky app I got many friend, and I start to speak and talk with my friend like
Okay, so
this.
how many
And
people? How many people you have talked? You have. made conversation? How many people still now?
With I talk around 100 people till now.
100 people above.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's great, great. Oh,
100 people,
right.
the new people. So I think that I am teacher and I don't get the time every day. So uh, when I get the time, that time I try to make blog video also conversation video.
Hmm.
So I made a conversation video so far around 35, not more.
Right. Not more. So
Okay.
what is your channel name, sir? What is your channel name? I want to see your channel.
My channel name is English with Barrier.
English with barrier. Okay, okay. I will
English with
search it.
Barrier.
I will search it.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
You can
Oh,
search and you can uh,
yes,
find the my YouTube channel name.
yes.
Also YouTube
So
blog video also.
do you make a video conversation video on your channel? Do you make conversation videos
Yes, yes. I make conversation video.
and you upload in your channel every day?
No, no. I can't make conversation with someone else every day. That is the
Right, right.
problem. So when I
You are a
got that
respon-
one, when
you
I
are
get
a
the time,
responsible person. Yes, you are a
yeah,
responsible
get
person,
the
and you
time,
are not getting time for making conversation video. Yeah, I can understand
yeah,
because you are a teacher, and nowadays you
yeah,
have to take more responsibility. Yes.
yeah, yeah. So that's
Oh,
I don't get the time. So that's why I can't make conversation video, also blog video. But I think that I should make conversation video day by day. But time is the very I think that important. So I
mm,
can't manage the time. That's why I
yes,
can't
yes.
make blog video, also conversation video.
Oh,
Okay.
but you are curious to make conversation videos. You are excited
Yes, yes.
to make conversation videos,
Yes, yes.
but you are not.
English learning. My purpose is that you said that I also like to good speaker of the English language.
Yes,
So
yes, right, sir.
I told and I said before that in my childhood I was eager to learn English language. So right now
Mm.
I think that I proved that really I learned the English language.
Yes, yes. And
And I
one
think,
thing, yes,
yeah, I
and
say
one thing
I say
I want to ask one thing from you, sir. Who make you inspire? This is same questions. Who make you inspire that we should learn this language and this language is also important in daily life in our life? Who make you inspire on that time? Because on that time you are not getting like properly social media. So who make you inspire?
no one makes me inspire. Okay, because I think that since in since my childhood, okay, since my
Oh,
childhood,
since
that time I
oh
took the interest to learn the English language.
oh
It
right,
is
right,
it
right.
is
This is
it is you can say it is my self inspiration.
oh oh right, right, right.
uh,
Oh. So you get
so
you get motivation and you get inspired from by yourself. Yeah.
yes, yes. And I think nowadays,
Oh,
current present time, I think that most of the English medium school are establishing in our city and other cities. So I think that current time in India, the English language become very necessary for I
yes.
think that what is called their future.
Hmm.
Whenever the student go to interview, they are interview.
It is very necessary. It is very necessary.
Right.
Yes. It is very
Yes, yes.
necessary. Whenever yes, people nowadays you can say English is an international language, and
Yeah.
people are studying. People are learning this language because every sector, everywhere, it's more important. In my
Yes, yes.
opinion, I'm telling. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are
So
right. You are right. So I
yes,
say that nowadays I have two kids, and I think that If I learn the English language, then I can teach my kids at home easily the English language. Also, I want to
Yeah.
created the environment in my at
Yes.
my
Yes.
home, and sometimes I talk to my kids the English language. So I think that uh, my kids should
It is.
learn the English language because
It will be good.
I think that the
It will be
English
good for
language.
your family. Maybe it will
Yes,
be good for your family.
yes,
You
yes.
are thinking that, yes. I can
Yeah.
understand. Yes. Yes. Right. Hmm.
Okay.
That's great, sir. That's great. So did you talk Jadoo viral Jadoo kisko?
Yes, yes. Two, three time I talk with him because
Oh,
he's the viral boy and he speak very good English and very
very good
fast.
English.
Yeah.
Yes. And did you talk one what her name I am forgetting? Mehja Mohorbin. Yes.
Mehja bin Mosi.
Mehja bin Mosi. Yes. So did you talk with girl?
Yes, yes. Two, three time I talk with her.
Oh, so
She is from Bangladesh and he also want to talk with the people because he want to be
but
a good
but
speaker and yes, yes.
yeah. But do you know one thing? She speaks very like American accent. Yes, she
Yes,
speaks
yes.
like American accent.
American
Yes,
and British accent she speaks. So yes, it is their style to speak.
yes,
So
yes.
right now, I also try to speak American and British accent, but I did not use so for the British and American accent. So
Yes,
I
yes,
also
yes.
think that
Right.
I should use this kind of American and British accent.
Yes, yes.
So
Because it is very difficult to learn American and British accent. It is very difficult, in my opinion, because
yes,
I
yes,
don't think that.
yes, yes, may be difficult, but you can learn shadowing. I think that practice. Okay,
Yes, yes,
shadowing
yes. You're right.
practice you can, and if you listen the British accent by the British people, also American people, then you
Mm-hmm.
can imitate. Okay, you can copy. They are
Mm-hmm.
speaking how they speak the English language, which kind of
Yes, yes, yes. How d-
how
how they are pronunciation of the word? How they are
yes,
making
yes,
sentences?
yes,
Oh
yes.
yes, yes. We can improve. You can improve
We
by study.
we we are Indian. We are Indian and also Nepalian. We cannot pronounce like the British and American accent. So
Right, right, right.
if you try to to speak the American and British accent, then you can. It is not difficult because if you learn the English language,
Yes,
I
yes.
think
And
that
nowadays
who,
everything is possible. Everything is possible nowadays
yeah, yeah,
because of social media. Because social media is available everywhere,
yeah.
every sector. So we can learn easily while
Okay.
while learning and while taking information. We don't have to
Uh,
face any problem.
yeah. Okay, brother. Our session happened much more time, so that today we report the session. Okay.
Okay, okay. Did you post?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Will you
Yes.
post? Yes, yes. Will you post in your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, brother. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.